Good morning, everyone. My name is Pranav, and my three group member namely are Rohan, Veer, Pushkar, Satpute, and Prasad Magar. Our app, we develop an app, the social media app. Next, the outline, the introduction to domain. So nowadays we see, especially also in pandemic situation, the connection between the people is driving through only the social media. So the importance of this app is essential, not to connect only friends, but to connect to the education, connect to the business, and also connect to the technology. So like, but in our we develop this app. We Our main feature is to limiting user to create only single post in 24 hours. This is our main feature, and eliminating of unnecessary features like social media experience more clean and elegant, and user friendly authentication provide. Next, so now you take forward, Rohan.
Okay, I'll take here from you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Rohan Veer, and I'll start with a literature survey. So, this was the first paper that we researched about, and their idea was to connect three devices or three sections in a TV by giving more user-friendly interface and giving three interfaces at a time. Uh, Multiple people can watch three different sections of their own choices. And the next research we did for our app was on other social medias that are available on Play Store or on any other platform. So they had a lot of user base, but they had a lot of misleading information, and they had a lot of database servers created on other side. So we tried to sort those things and bring it down a notch, and we came up with this idea of our social media app. Now Pushkar will take over.
Good afternoon, everyone. The motivation project is that of social media traffic is less productive. Too many features in social media apps makes it more uneasy to use, and too much of a spam content is available on the social. So this social media app is specifically being taken consideration for good for the uh, 20
post is creating huge impact in data reduction and also the server cost will be limited. Go next slide. Problem statement: not allowing users to share content every second, allowing content users to be more creative, to provide more control and devices and to cut the cost of data centers. Next slide. Workflow. So the workflow would be like you will start with the app, open the application, sign in and sign up and sign up will be taken care with the authentication of Firebase that will be at the backend. So users can post app photos and videos, but with the time stamp of 24 hours, 24 hours of single 24 hours of a single story or a video. Other users can post chatting with them 24 hours a day, and in a social media, which will reduce the data, the use data, data complexity, load balancing will be more, and data center cost will be reduced. Next slide. Prasad.
Hello. Uh, Good afternoon, all of you. The next slide is related to scope, in which the app is removal of unnecessary feature that takes the system power will lead to smooth experience in which the it does not take more battery of mobile. Uh, in you are using app in which you are using the app. The second point is user procrastination due to social media will decrease the significantly. And the last point is audience will be more interactive, which will give social media influencer more reach. Second slide, please, Rohan. Feasibility analysis in which this is a social media app in which people can create only one post in 24 hours. That's why it's make the app more productive, and the user can share post useful for uh, which is useful for customers. Background, we are using cloud computing technology and also Firebase for database. The purpose of the project is to create highly productive social media app application for people. Research, as per the research, elimination of unnecessary features from social media application, also limiting to only a single post per day. Second slide, please.
That's it. Thank you. Now we'll take questions.
Rohan,
Yes, ma'am.
see now whatever I have seen, everything it was a documentation part, right?
Yeah.
Where is the project? Where is the project explanation?
Okay. Okay. So I'll explain you in short. Uh, we analyzed a few social media apps, and we came to a conclusion that this is a lot, and a lot of users are not comfortable with this. So we took it down a notch, and we came with the idea of uploading a content or anything that user wants to share. If it can be even an opinion that can be only shared in 24 hours, and if the user has to share something else, he or she has to wait the next 24 hours for it to upload. So we created a time delay of 24 hours. So it has a reduced database and a more thought process going on in 24 hours to upload one single post.
You have come up only with the ideas, or you have implemented through any platform? That's what I'm asking you.
Yeah, we have implemented an Android app, and it is almost
That's what I'm asking you. Application kahan pe hai? Application, explanation of application or whatever, like.
Oh yeah, it is an Android app, and it is almost ready. Yeah.
Have you means is it working?
Yeah, it is working. We are able to upload a post, and we are able to give a timestamp of 24 hours.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.